I recently received this 4-pack of juicer bottles and I'm going to show you what they look like. These were actually sent to me from the company to go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So I went ahead and pulled one out and take a look. It does have the measurements here on the side. You are able to put these in the microwave, the dishwasher, and the refrigerator. As you can see, it has the measurements right there. It is a nice solid glass bottle with a lid. It is a vacuum sealed lid, so these are spill proof. Take a look, very nice size. And when you get your package, they do individually come wrapped with bubble wrap around them, and they are also protected in the case. So overall, very nice, good condition that they came in. Another thing that is included is a brush, so you're able to wash these cups once you're done using them. These are great, especially for juicing. If you do juice and you want to save up the juice, you could go ahead and simply place them in these bottles and place them in your refrigerator. Another great thing that you could do with these cups is you could make infused water. So you could add lemon, cucumber, oranges, anything like that to your water. Place water, fruit in here, and then place them in your refrigerator. But overall, as far as look and appearance, they're great and I would definitely recommend.